Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Chevrolet Impala LS. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 87,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 29 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger.